go. Hey guys, Chris at Cape Cod Harley-Davidson. Just wanted to show you one of our demo specials that we've dressed up a little bit. This is a 2020 Street Glide Special in Burgundy. Billiard Burgundy. It's got some upgrades. A stage 1 audio upgrade is the first one. We put an amp up in the fairing here to accommodate the stage 1 speakers that already come with the bike. Painted wind deflectors. Normally they're black, but these are color matched to the bike. It's got a CVO passenger seat and pillion, which is stitched really nicely like the CVO models come with. Magnum grips right off the bat. Curved license plate bracket. I don't know if Molly can see that back here, but it's kind of curved to the rear of the fender. 2020 models don't come from the factory with a heel shifter or an extra key fob. We've added that for you, along with detachable docking hardware and a short 7.5-inch antenna. And last but not least, if she'll come around the front here, all the vents on the motorcycles are just black typically. This one here is color matched to the fairing, so it kind of dresses it up really nice. Anyway, if you get a chance, come down to Cape Cod Harley-Davidson, check it out. We got a lot of 2020 models here to go, and this one could be yours. We'll see you soon.